the tracks. The snow had blown around the holes and they raised up. Kind of like dinosaur tracks in the desert. Mud. Snow tornadoes coming in. There's an elephant back, south side of Carson. Whew. North side, Carson Pass. Whew. Almost Christmas, December 21, 2021. Storm coming in. 40 mile-an-hour winds coming off the top there. And even off this top. These are bristlecone pines. They leave 5,000-year-old stumps, all gray over in Nevada side. They grow wide and dense. Their wood is thick. Takes a long time to erode. Bristlecone pines, amazing tree. So I named my band.